When to use can and could. Can. Can is a helping verb and a modal verb. It is commonly used to express ability, possibility, or permission. Asking and giving. For example, can you speak English fluently? The coin can land on heads or tails. Can I have some orange juice? Sure, you can have some orange juice. Could. Could is used for the past. It is also in the context of ability, possibility, or permission. In the case of possibility, the present perfect tense is typically used. In the case of permission, could is typically only used when asking permission, not giving it. For example, I could speak English fluently when I was younger. The coin could have landed on heads or tails, and fortunately for you it landed on tails. When asking for permission, could is often considered to be more formal or more polite than can. Grammatically, though, either one is completely acceptable. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.